Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. It's a bee day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Yesterday, our teachers have been working so hard that we need to make sure that when we go in their class, we give them big shout outs and tell them how much we appreciate all their hard work. Thank you, team and family, for working so hard for us as leaders and our scholars. We appreciate you, teachers. Another thing that's been going on is that we are preparing to reopen our school for those returning in person. So those coming 3rd through 5th grade will start next Monday, the 28th, to come in person. Make sure you have your mask. You have to wear a mask and your full uniform. So those who are coming back in person next week, please make sure and have those items. Also, make sure you're prepared for your lessons every day. Your computer is charged. You have whatever workbooks or paper or whiteboards you need. Be sure that you are ready to go at least 5 minutes before class starts. And also, remember, we're taking attendance. And I'm seeing that we have lots of scholars that are absent. So I want to make sure that you don't miss out on the great things your teachers have prepared. So today is a great day for learning. Go have a great day. Hoot, hoot.